Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best slip and slides for adults. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Bestway 16-foot Water Race Rider Slide. As the name suggests, this water slide is 16 feet long from Bestway. The water slide is designed for adults and teens, but can also accommodate children if you want to share the fun with your family. If you're looking for a thrilling gliding experience, this slide is the best option for you as it features a gazillion splash bubble sprinkler, which keeps the slide wet at all times. In addition, the sprinkler can be attached to a standard home garden hose pipe for water supply. What makes this slide unique is the 6 stakes that it comes with for securing it to the ground to avoid movement. In addition, it is fully powered by water and comes with an inflatable arch to support the sprinkler. The Resilia Super Slip Lawn Water Slide Giant. This water slide features an extra long slide at 75 feet and 12 feet wide. This makes it an ideal choice for both adults and teens. The slide has stakes to hold it in place during fun activities. Moreover, it is made of strong plastic material to withstand the weight of adults and the velocity of people sliding. The slide is built to withstand the rigorous nature of sliding and hot summer weather, making it ideal for outdoor activities. The Jambo XL Premium Slip, Slash, and Slide. If you're looking for a strong and durable slide that will deliver fun at an affordable price, this is the price for you. The Jambo XL Premium Slip, Slash, and Slide features a 20-foot slide and 3-way water sprinklers to keep the slide wet. In addition, the slide features 2 body boards on the side to keep you from veering off at high speed. Nevertheless, the slide is inflatable, giving you a bouncy feel. Which is the best? The best slide from the list is the Jambo XL Premium Slip, Splash, and Slide. This slide offers the best features, especially the 2 body boards, to keep you from sliding off, thus preventing injuries. The slide's price is also quite competitive compared to the other slides, given the features it offers. Thanks for watching.